Take a look at the date of birth on your driver's license. For decades, we've been told that single number tells the whole story of our health. If you are 62, every single part of you is supposed to be 62. But what if modern medicine just discovered that this simple assumption is completely wrong? What if inside your body right now, your heart is performing like it's 50, but your kidneys are functioning like they're 75? Or what if your brain is biologically younger than your calendar age, but a single silent organ is quietly running out of time and dragging the rest of your body along with it? This isn't science fiction. A landmark breakthrough from Harvard researchers has revealed that our bodies do not grow old all at once. Instead, almost everyone over 50 has one specific lead organ aging significantly faster than everything else. In the next few minutes, you are going to discover how top scientists uncovered this hidden domino organ inside more than 50,000 people. You will learn how to identify your own unique aging pattern, what doctors call your Ageotype, and most importantly, you will see the simple, practical steps you can take today to protect that one vulnerable system before it creates chronic disease elsewhere. Because the most empowering discovery in modern longevity science is this: an aging organ isn't a life sentence. It's an early warning system you can actually change. Let's step inside the laboratory where this realization came to light. A team of researchers from Harvard Medical School, Brigham and Women's Hospital, and the Broad Institute of MIT and Harvard set out to answer a question that has puzzled physicians for a century. Why do two lifelong friends, born the same month, eating similar meals, walking the same neighborhood, end up with completely different lives in their 70s? To find the truth, the Harvard team looked into the UK Biobank, analyzing health and blood data from more than 50,000 individuals. But they didn't just measure standard cholesterol or blood pressure. They used an advanced technology called plasma proteomics. Think of your blood like a river that flows through every room in a house. Every organ, your heart, your liver, your brain, your lungs, your immune system, sheds microscopic proteins into that river. By analyzing nearly 3,000 of these distinct proteins, the researchers created a biological clock for each organ individually. And when the data came back, published in the prestigious medical journal Cell Metabolism, it revealed something extraordinary. In roughly 1 out of every 5 adults over the age of 50, at least one vital organ is undergoing strongly accelerated aging. That means you aren't one uniform age. You are a collection of different internal clocks. Now you might be asking, does it really matter if my liver or my kidneys are a few years older than my ID? The answer from Harvard was an unequivocal yes. In fact, the study revealed a fundamental rule that completely turns conventional medicine upside down. Organ aging comes first. Disease comes second. For generations, doctors believed that you develop a disease like heart failure, diabetes, or dementia, and then your organ deteriorates. Harvard's data proved the exact opposite. An organ begins aging in secret, silently accumulating stress, losing cellular efficiency, and slowing down repair mechanisms for 10 to 15 years before you feel a single ache or see an abnormal routine lab test. If your heart is your accelerated organ, your risk of future heart failure skyrockets over the next decade. If your brain is the accelerated organ, the risk of cognitive decline climbs long before you notice any memory lapses. The danger isn't that your body is getting older. The danger is not knowing which organ is leading the race. To understand how this affects your daily vitality, imagine your body as an orchestra. Your heart is the percussion keeping the rhythm. Your lungs are the wind instruments. Your kidneys and liver are the backstage crew keeping the stage spotless, and your brain is the conductor. When every instrument plays at roughly the same tempo, you feel energetic, sharp, and resilient. But what happens when just one instrument falls completely out of sync? Say the percussion section. The heart starts speeding up and tiring out. To keep up, the kidneys have to filter blood under higher pressure. The lungs have to work harder to supply oxygen. The backstage crew gets overwhelmed. Soon, the entire symphony falls into discord. This isn't just an analogy. In 2023, a landmark neuroimaging study published in Nature Medicine by researchers at the University of Melbourne mapped what they termed the multi-organ aging network. Led by Dr. Yi Elatian, the research demonstrated that when a single organ ages prematurely, it actively drives the deterioration of neighboring systems. Furthermore, a 2024 genetic study in Nature Aging from the University of Southern California, examining 377,000 people, proved that while organs carry their own unique genetic aging pathways, they constantly send molecular distress signals to one another. When one domino tips, it leans on the next. Scientists have started calling your personal pattern your Ageotype, your unique aging signature. While clinical blood proteomics is just entering specialized clinics, research highlights 4 dominant patterns you can pay attention to. The first is the cardiovascular Ageotype. Here, the lead organ system is your heart and arterial network. The silent signs often include an elevated resting pulse, slow recovery after climbing stairs, subtle changes in blood pressure variability, or cold extremities. The domino risk is significant, as it puts immense strain on kidney function and brain microvessels. The second pattern is the metabolic and liver Ageotype. The lead organs are the liver, pancreas, and insulin pathways. The silent signs show up as afternoon energy crashes, carrying stubborn visceral weight around the midsection, or elevated fasting triglycerides. The domino risk creates chronic systemic inflammation that speeds up joint wear and arterial plaque. The third pattern is the immune and inflammatory Ageotype, where the lead organ is the immune system, a process often called immunosenescence. The silent signs include lingering recovery from common colds, persistent mild joint aches, skin irritation, or feeling constantly run down. The domino risk is critical. Harvard and the Alzheimer's Association found that an overaged immune system releases inflammatory cytokines that directly break down the blood-brain barrier, accelerating brain aging. The fourth pattern is the kidney and detox Ageotype, centered on the renal filtration system. The silent signs include mild fluid retention in the ankles by evening, changes in nighttime urination frequency, or persistent subtle electrolyte imbalances. The domino risk directly affects vascular elasticity and cognitive sharpness. Here is the most important takeaway from the Harvard study, and why this is the best news in modern health. Biological age is malleable. Unlike the date printed on your birth certificate, the biological speed of your organs is not locked in stone. Your organs are made of living tissue that renews, repairs, and adapts every single day. When researchers analyzed individuals whose organs were biologically younger than their chronological age, they discovered clear, repeatable lifestyle habits that directly support specific organ clocks. To protect the cardiovascular clock, Zone 2 aerobic movement, such as brisk walking where you can still speak in full sentences, stimulates capillary density and preserves vascular elasticity without straining the joints. To protect the metabolic and liver clock, consistently giving your digestive system a 12-hour resting window overnight. For example, finishing dinner by 7 p.m. and having breakfast at 7 a.m. dramatically enhances liver autophagy, the process where cells clean out internal cellular waste. To protect the brain and immune clock, prioritizing deep, consistent sleep allows your brain's glymphatic system to flush out metabolic waste products every night, keeping the communication lines between your brain and immune cells clean and calm. The number on your ID will increase every year on your birthday. That is simply the passage of time. But how your heart beats, how clearly your brain thinks, and how vibrantly your body moves across the decades ahead. That is not decided by the calendar. It is decided by how well you listen to your body's internal orchestra. You don't have just one age. You have many. And once you understand which parts of your body need your care and attention the most, you hold the power to change your trajectory. Thank you for watching Beyond the Years. If you found this research valuable, take a moment to subscribe. Share this with someone you care about and tell us in the comments below. Which organ system are you focusing on protecting this year? Until next time, stay curious, stay active, and live well beyond the years.